just finished doing a beautiful nude look and then your lip combo doesn't match up to your beautiful eye colors? Well, look, I've got something new for you. First of all, let's look at this packaging. Look at this multi-chrome effect. My goodness, this is beautiful. These are the Bestland lip combos, and it's a 12-piece. You actually get the lippy and you get the lip liner. So you no longer have to walk around your house like I used to trying to find something that matches my lipstick. But let me show them to you. I'm going to swatch them for you. Oh, they're so beautiful. They're highly pigmented and waterproof. So you get this nice, beautiful packaging. It's a 12-piece. Each lippy has its own lip liner. Look how beautiful that is. I just love all those beautiful colors. And this would be perfect for your nude eye and makeup look. Let's put that beautiful box there because it's just so beautiful to look at. First, we're going to go in with the first combination. Is retractable. You can spin the bottom to bring out the pencil. And what I love about this is you don't have to use a pencil sharpener anymore. Because when I use a pencil sharpener, usually my whole pencil's gone and I never get a beautiful point. But you always get a perfect point. So this is the first one. And now that is pigmented. That is what we call pigmented. That is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to go in with the lippy that belongs to this lip liner. What I love about these is that they're long wearing and they're pigmented. All right. Ooh, look at that beautiful color. Oh my gosh. You've got to have this. I'm so in love with this color. All right, let's begin. Whoa. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. So this is the first combination, and look how beautiful and pigmented this is. My complexion is a medium deep cocoa or caramel, so I'm on the darker spectrum, and you actually see how beautiful. You can actually see this on my complexion. It's so gorgeous. Let's go in with the second one. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the second lip combo. I love this because it's retractable and you don't ever have to worry about sharpening it. Okay, here's the next color. Oh my gosh. Just look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. It's so pigmented. I love that any complexion can wear this. Any complexion can wear this. And I'm always worried about if you can actually see something on my complexion, and you can actually see these. So let's try the lippy that goes with it. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Ooh. Look how luscious and delicious that color is. All right, let's go next to the pencil. Oh my gosh. This is a win. So far, these 4 different pieces are doing it for me. They're absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go in with the next color. All right, it's another one of those where it's retractable and you don't have to worry about sharpening. Here's the next color. Oh my gosh, every single color is a hit. This is the next one. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Let's see what the lippy looks like. It's so beautiful. Look at these colors. They're the perfect combination to your minimalist or nude look for makeup. Look how luscious and beautiful that is. These colors are absolutely amazing and anyone can wear them, and they're highly pigmented and they're just so beautiful. Okay, we've got 6 more to go through. So far we've gone through 6 different items. Here's the next one. Here's the next combo. And what I like about these is that you can switch off and use different lip liners with different lippies, lip combos. Oh, now that is lovely. That is absolutely lovely. Let's try it. Whoa. Oh my gosh. I just can't believe how pigmented these colors are. Like anyone can wear these colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I highly recommend them. Here's the next color. Oh, now that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. If you like red, this is your shade. So beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let's go with the next one. We only have 4 more to go. Aww. All right, well, let's enjoy it while it lasts. Here's the next combo. Ooh, look at that point. That's lovely. Best thing, I never have to sharpen it. Here we, oh, wow. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. I love how you can match any of these lip liners with any of the colors of lip glosses. That is just heavily pigmented and so beautiful. I love how you can go subtle or spectacular with these. They're just gorgeous. All right, let's try the lip. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at this. These lip combos are incredible. I just love how you have a lip liner and you know that it's always going to look good because it's made for that lipstick. Oh my gosh. All right, we're down to the last two. We're down to the last two. So beautiful. Here are the last two. Oh, now that is beautiful. That's almost like chocolate. Ooh, let's see. And look at that point. It never fails. All right, here we go. And again, oh, honey, 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 honey. I don't know what color that is. Maybe it's a chocolate. Maybe it's a cranberry. I love it. This is beautiful. All right. And this is the last lip color. Woo! That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. And it's a great price. I linked it for you in my showcase. They're beautiful, highly pigmented. Any complexion can wear them. Any complexion can wear these. They're absolutely gorgeous. Check them out. I linked them for you. Get them now before they sell out. These are going to be a hit. You can wear these with any makeup you want to wear, but this is specifically for nude looks, but you can wear them with any color you want to wear. And that's how beautiful it is. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Click the link right now before it sells out. Follow me for more content. It's so beautiful.